So, you know Antrum? I've been working on it for a pretty long time now, but I've been holding on to one huge issue. Lag. And it's not even the worst part. I'm still making a Godot 3, which is pretty ancient now. But Godot 4 has way more features and a better renderer.
So why not migrate to it?
Nah. So instead I made a whole new prototype in just one day. First, I set up some folders to keep all of the game assets organized because finding files shouldn't be the hardest part of making a game. Then I made the world scene, which is where the world art generation happens, and where players will spend all their time. Pretty simple. But now we actually have somewhere to build the game. To actually generate the world, I needed something called a TileMapLayer. It's basically the thing that lets me place tiles, which is kind of important if I want to make a world exist. I grabbed some textures from the old project and slapped them onto the tile set, and this made a simple ground texture so I would have something to test the generation code later. And then it was finally time to start writing some code. And after a bit of coding, let's see if it works. Let's see if it works now. Bro. Okay, surely it works now. Okay, but eventually I did get it working, and the terrain finally loaded. But only one issue. It's really spaced out, and the snapping grid is wrong. So I've got to fix that. Okay, and I fixed it, and now, as you can see, the world is not spaced out, and the snapping grid works perfectly. I even added block placing and block breaking, so that's pretty good. I then also started working on the ore generation system, just to make it as similar as possible to my other game. And voila! There it is, it works. First time. But just like Isaac Newton once said, what's the point of having a world with no player? So I added a player, and it spawns randomly inside the world. I even added some void damage just in case you fall off, so you just respawn somewhere else. I then added some block breaking phases just to make the visuals a little bit better and match my previous project. And there we go, and it works. And each block has its own specific toughness, meaning a higher toughness makes the block break slower, and a lower toughness makes it break faster. I then decided to work on the visuals a little more by making the background a bit darker and adding a light to the player so it makes the caves look more like a cave, because caves are dark. But anyways, I'm going to split this video into different types of devlogs, so if you're interested, smash like if you like, smash dislike if you don't. But as always, see you in the next one.